Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Today we have 2009 or 8 Nissan Altima. (2008). This car came in from another shop. The customer said the car was driving and suddenly shut off. But before they brought it here, they spent a good amount of time changing. As usually, they change this piece here, and with the key, with the body control module, with everything, and still the car doesn't want to do nothing. They keep checking it out, in and out. They do all the steps. When they brought it here for me, I also check it out, and I spent quite an amount of time. I thought that maybe the BCM is no good. I mean the intelligent power control module, which he meant, which the piece that is in under the hood. I took it out and I tested into another car. So it's running fine. This piece here, the piece that's supposed to be in this area, that white piece, this piece I changed it. Still I have the same issue, so it was not the piece. They even have a computer for it too, or we put a computer, it doesn't work. So we did everything on this car. Finally I said, you know what, let me try to do visual inspection. When you come to program, it will not release the steering lock at all. Definitely from the beginning we should know that it is not a key problem, because if the car is running, the key will not shut off on you while the car is running. The car will not shut off on you while the car is running because of the key. So we have to look for other alternative. I come here, I took this thing out here, and then we disconnect this piece, and look here. This is what we found. When you go to the other side, this is what we found. Some of them, they broke, no communication, and you know, from here, from the BCM that is located here, signal go through and go into the in front power module. And I believe the reason for this, it looked like the sunroof there, it may have a drainers. Maybe the drainers go bad, water go in here all the way down and messed up these things. Most of the windshield, it could be something there. So what we have to do here, changing the whole harness, inside harness, dashboard harness, changing engine harness now. Either you have to change it, take all this, or you have to do it other way. It doesn't pay. So what I did is I went in and I cut those wires, and I go by pins, not by color, by pins. I cut them, see, and I start solder them one by one. Be sure to solder them good. I finish the first row, I finish the second row, and I come to the third row, then the fourth, the fifth row. I would put all this, how many wire? One, maybe some of them I don't need to cut it, but you know what, I'm gonna cut everything. Like this row, or because here is empty. It's empty row, that's why, but everything is contaminated. So I'm gonna start by this one, second, third. I'm gonna put everything, and then from there, I will go to the next level. If you have a Maxima 2008, 9, 10, and you have a problem when there is a raining, when it's raining, it's coming, the car doesn't want to start, and you have to stay a couple of days after that. When it's dry out, the car will go. Please check those wires. Check this junction here, take it out, and spend some time, you see, spend some time to look at it. And this is what I realized, this is what I found on this car. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Please subscribe, share, and like. And if you have any question, feel free to ask. Thank you.